I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong.
Hey guys, welcome to a new video. If you're here for the first time, welcome. I hope you like what you see, subscribe and become part of our beautiful family. And if you're a regular, that one person who comes back with each and every upload, I see and I appreciate it. Thank you so much. It is a Saturday, 27th September. I'm going out. I'm going to do my nails. This is horrendous. Sana. I need to fix that. So I'm going to my appointment. My appointment is at 1. The time now is 12:20, and then I'm gonna leave the house at like 12:40 because the salon is not very far, but I like to go early. Yeah, and sometimes she starts me early if I arrive early. What am I wearing? So I'm wearing this striped t-shirt from H&M. Was it showing properly? Okay, so I'm wearing this t-shirt from, is it H&M or Zara? H&M. And then I'm wearing this denim skirt from Shein, shades from Shein, Apple Watch, Daniel Wellington jewelry. You already know I'm a Daniel Wellington girly. And then I want to show you my shoes. I'm gonna wear these slides yeah, when I go out. As you know that we don't wear outdoor shoes indoors in Korea. I like to respect that, so I don't do it in my house as well. Yeah, I'm that chilled, man. End of this day is this Ariana Grande perfume. I love this perfume so much. It's actually running out. I'm gonna go out with this trash. The way my kitchen is so dirty, guys. I need to come back and tackle that kitchen. Yo, son. And also I broke, let me turn the light on. I broke my thingy, my glass container, scuffed in, whatever it's called. I broke it last night. Yo, I'm so hurt. Anyway, let's go so that I don't be late. As you can see, we wear indoor shoes inside, and then I'm gonna change to my outdoor shoes when I go. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that fits I do it all. I won't cry, you get it. I'm not long if you joking now here for me. I ain't got it. I'm skinny do it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose. Hey guys, I'm now walking to my nail lady. Actually very early, but it's fine. I'm gonna take my time walking. I love the weather. It's not too hot, it's not cold, it's like warm. That's and nobody's nobody like you do, you know. In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface. The party bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. The stage is argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent on you, day one. We had you, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab, she get you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You were just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You were just too important. Nobody like you. Hey guys, I just finished my nails. I'll show you guys properly when I get home. I'm gonna go buy eggs now and then go home. I'm getting cream cheese. It's 6,250,001. Wait, is this the only cream cheese that's there? also wanted plain yogurt. Actually, I came here for eggs and now I'm finding myself buying more things. I don't. The egg price shocks me every time. No man, cost of living is too high, and honestly I'm tired of doing this life alone. I need a man, and I'm saying this from the bottom of my heart. I need a man who will take care of me, not just any man, a man who will take care of me, give me money so that they be right. I'm tired of using my money, and I don't have money. So yeah.
Loving you right, loving you there.
So I got bread from Tuileries. I always buy my bread there. I really love this bread. It's so fresh and nice, and it lasts long. And I like that it's not a lot because I live alone and I don't eat bread a lot. So buying the full loaf of bread is actually a waste. And then I got cream cheese. I only got one because I'm not trying to eat bread a lot, and the only time I use my cream cheese when I make a toast. And then I got plain yogurt. I used to buy these plain yogurts when I first arrived in Korea, and then I changed to the other one. Let me see if I still have. Oh well, I finished. There's another one. I'll take a picture from Kupang and I'll put it on the screen. They're really nice and they're bigger. It's just that it delivered a 5,001 all of a sudden. I was like, hell no. But it's on Nazima, I got two because I use this for my smoothies and I use it for chia pudding as well. And then I'm gonna actually make chia pudding now and eat it tomorrow for breakfast. And then I got eggs. So this is all I got. And then I did my nails. Is it buttermilk? I did buttermilk, and I went extremely short this time around. I love them so much. I will take a proper video of the nails and show you guys in case you are wondering, thinking what nails you will do next. Do this. I'm plugging y'all. The weather has changed. It's actually gloomy. I think it's gonna rain, but it's fine. I am going to edit some content for a brand that I have partnered with. I have like a paid, yeah man, guys, do you guys get as I the very small ones? I don't know where they come from because my house is clean. As you saw, my kitchen is clean. Everything is clean. I took out the trash before I went to do my nails. So I don't understand where these little hojos are coming from. So annoyed. What was I saying? I was saying I got a paid partnership. It's a no upload video, so you guys won't see it. Unfortunately, I have to like shoot a video. I actually had shot a video already and I sent it to them, but there was some little mistakes that, not mistake, the little things that they wanted me to change, and I realized that actually it won't be possible for me to change those things in that video. I actually needed to reshoot the video because, so as I was saying, I realized that I needed to reshoot the video because I changed my hair, so I couldn't like, okay, so I couldn't edit the little bits and pieces in that video. Yeah, there were parts of the video where the product wasn't showing properly. It was like blurry, so they were like, we need that to not be blurry, and then I had to reshoot the video. So that's what I did. That's why I have makeup on. You're wondering, why does this girl have makeup on? She just went to do her nails. I have makeup on because I was shooting content, so now I need to edit that content and submit to the brand. And guys, I'm really praying for more paid partnerships. Honestly, they really are helping me right now because I'm actually going through some financial hey anyway, let's not talk about that. Actually, yeah, so I am praying for more paid partnerships. And you guys, I really appreciate if you'd watch my videos. I'd really want to get my channel to a point where my videos make money, like my channel get monetized. So yeah, anyway guys, let me make myself some food. I'm moving, my hand is tired now. I haven't had anything today, so I'm gonna make myself some food, edit the content, and then probably like take a nap because the rugby is playing later on today. Actually, not later on today, it's playing very late. It's playing midnight because I think, are they playing in South Africa? I think so, because normally when they play in South Africa, we we have to wait until like very late because of the time difference. And we are playing with Argentina. I'm crossing my fingers because I've noticed a trend with the Springboks with the past two games with Australia and New Zealand. We lost the first games and then we won the first match with both teams, and then we won the second ones. I need us to win both matches with Argentina. I need the Springboks to pull up their socks if they want us to win the World Championships this year, please. And I'm shouting y'all guys as if you are guys part of the squad. I'm shouting y'all like you are part of the squad. These are the nails. I'm showing you guys properly now. Oh, I love them so much. As you can see, I went extremely short. I like my nails short, man. Yo, son. Nigga, anxiety. Nails is in there. There we go. Yeah, my sandwiches. So that's what I'm gonna eat, and I'll drink my apple cider vinegar soda, the ACV soda, cherry. I think I like the cherry more than. Hey guys, I'm about to go for my evening walk. So on weekends I don't run, I walk. What am I looking for? I'm looking for my card holder. So now, yeah, so I'm gonna go out and walk like a very young. I'm gonna go walk a very young 5 kilometers and yeah, close my rings. Let's go. We have the rainbow bridge there. It changes color. I'll show you again when I'm closer to it. We'll go to ease or change it to what color. Okay, I'm closer to the bridge now. I'm gonna show you the whole bridge. I wanted to change again before I leave.
Cause being confused just takes control. I hope we can start brand new. Cause I don't wanna lose you. Oh no.
I want my average pace to be 11 minutes. So let's walk fast.
I'm willing to try and make you see that all you need is here in me. I don't wanna stay. I don't want you.
I got this big campaign that I'm going to do. Let me flip the box because yes, I don't want you seeing my dress. Yeah, so I got this. It's a makeup brand, so I'll need to find my shade. I'm not gonna show you on this vlog because I still need to shoot for TikTok first and then see if my video will get approved. Then I will show you guys what this is. But if you want to see it, what colors of the go on TikTok.
One eternity later.
I'm doing my makeup. I'll talk to you properly when I'm done. I made steamed bread yesterday. Scrambled egg. I think I wanna put tuna as well. I'm not sure. Do you really know? No. You don't know what love is. And you don't ever find. The good sis. This one already has. So I'm gonna watch my girls, Lanzi, Gamma, and ZX, while I have my breakfast. So, guys, I'm ready. I'm done getting ready. I think I did my makeup very nice today, like something chilled. And then I'm wearing my dashiki dress. And I'm gonna wear these. I got this dress in South Africa, so one of those shops, you know, those like downtown shops. Which has it is it Durban shops in King Williamstown. Yeah, we say is it Durban shops in King. Let me wear my shades. Will I be able to wear them while I'm holding this? Yes. I hope I be well. This is me. In the desire chongwa. Beyonce and this auyenza. And I'm alone, so there's also that. Then I lost her already because I don't like people looking at me. But okay, it's fine. I wanna wear my dress. It's hot. I don't know if it's gonna be hot again, so I'm not gonna miss this opportunity to wear the lokoyam. What's this now? And shoes, I don't know which shoes I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna decide when this I'll catch up with you guys when I go. I'm leaving now. I'm leaving my apartment. I ended up wearing these. I'm missing the bus that I was trying to catch. I can see it, but it's fine because the bus number I am going to take comes every 15 minutes. Yeah, the bus interval is like 15 minutes. The intervals are short, so that's not too bad. But I'm bummed because I'm actually on a time crunch because at 3 o'clock I have to come back. And the time now is 12:15. So at 3 I have to make my way back because at 4 o'clock there's something that I need to do. I have like a meeting with someone, so I have to be back at home, like a Zoom meeting. So I have to be back at home at 4 o'clock. So I'm really on a time crunch, but it's fine. I'm gonna read a little bit. Maybe like a good hour of reading, and then an hour of walking by the beach, and then an hour of I don't know, like finding something to eat that's nice. I'm actually craving some junk food today. I think I'll take today as my cheat day. Yeah, okay, I'll catch up with you guys when I get to Dayton Beach. I'm gonna go find my favorite cafe. I'm gonna go to my favorite cafe and read. It's just chill, man. Good vibes. I like that cafe too. It has a rooftop and it's so chilled. I've never went to that cafe and I found it full. It's always empty and nice. The vibes are nice, so let's go. This is how Med Festival used to be like before COVID-19. I feel like we were robbed because I've been living in this city for 3 years and it hasn't been like this since, and apparently they haven't been making any profits from this, so I think that's why it's now smaller, and yeah, the budget is not budgeting. I wish they have something like this before I leave Korea. It would be so nice, guys, if they have like something like that again, because Mad Festival is good vibes. It really is nice. I enjoyed it the last time, and I think it would be more fun if they have something similar to what I just showed you now. There's the cafe I'm going to. Here's my cafe. There's trees, you won't be able to see it. Cafe Habit. Some in the art.
Take it sweet, like making love on the dance floor. Baby, baby, I've never been like this before. Like chocolate coating, waiting for you to adore.
Guys, I want to show you my I have this whole place to myself. How amazing. I love
My
this
hand
one.
out to lead me to the place where
I put this
no one can erase that we were there. When the
Hey
love, listen up over and above. I can prove it, baby, grown enough to know now what you really want. Quiet house.
Guys, it feels so good being here. I wish I could stay here for the rest of the day, but I'll have to leave in like 45 minutes. And I was ambitious when I said to you guys that I was gonna go, I was gonna come here, chill a bit, read, and then go find something to eat. No, because I was busy taking content and time is not on my side now, so I can only chill at this one place and go home, basically. I hope the weather is like this next weekend again so that I can come again. This is so nice. But the thing is, people will be back from their hometowns next weekend. Ichusaka will be payless, so it's probably gonna be packed. But every time I come here, there's like 2 or 3 people at the rooftop. People don't like to come sit outside. You know, Koreans, they always sun, so they like sitting inside. And I like the outside. Even though it's hot, it's cool here because there's a breeze. Sea breeze is so nice. This is nice, guys. Let me show you my view for the 100th time.
Happy We can party, party, party through the night. With you here, I surely am alright.
When I wash my face here.
I know you like it, like it. So baby, don't be shy, don't be shy. Bringing out my inner child. This is a soul cafe. Welcome everybody. It comes in your.
I think I'm not too mad now for coming home because I think it's gonna rain. Jungle park for the kids. I'm actually very surprised I haven't gone there to play. Maybe I'm more mature than I thought. Guys, I just got home. My makeup PM is still intact. Can't believe I'm really so ago because the day is finished. There's nothing else I'm gonna do but chill. I've been watching the Hunting Wives. Have you guys watched it? I finished Love is Blind. Guys, Love is Blind. Those couples. Guys, I applaud KB's patience with Edmond. Is it Edmond? Edmond. I applaud patience because that man, guys, I cannot. That man is too much. And also, Joe on Love is Blind is rude. He's a mean boy. He's very rude and he doesn't love Madison. But Madison is also annoying. I'm not rooting for anyone. I want them to break up immediately. They shouldn't even waste time planning those weddings because I don't think marriage should come out of those couples. I'll be very surprised if any of them say yes. I'll be very, very surprised. And if but yes, it didn't work out because Sana. I cast yes at Denver. What a joke, my darling. I know we complained in the cast year last year. The previous season we were complaining because this one, the cast from Denver, Sakaya, are they okay? Everyone is not okay. Everyone. My value as long as a relationship must value. No marriage should come out of those couples. Please, for my sake, and for their sake. Anyway, guys, I've been watching Love is Blind. I've been watching The Hunting Wives, as I mentioned as well. Please try it out if you haven't. We had to wait, guys. Netflix Korea, because we couldn't watch The Hunting Wives when the Americans and the South Africans were raving about The Hunting Wives on Twitter. We couldn't because Netflix Korea hadn't put the series on the app. Now that the hype has died by a sneak, but again, we're not complaining because we got to watch as well. But it guys, also beyond stress. Anyway, I was rudely interrupted. I was saying, Marcus, fine. Focus. Okay, here. Let me do this so that I can look at you properly. Marcus, I understand Marcus. I've already clocked her. She's a problematic woman. She had a problematic troubled childhood, and she's a troubled woman even now. But Usofi is like Fox. No man, I'm gonna need y'all to go watch The Hunting Wives, hey? Please, 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 so that we can chat about it. Good comment section. But to you guys, whenever I talk about something, I'm like, let's talk about it on the comment section. Y'all don't pull through. Don't pull through. I asked about Cardi B's album and y'all didn't give me your top 3 songs. And now I'm talking about The Hunting Wives, and I know y'all won't comment. You'll comment on other things, but this one, whenever I ask us to talk about things and engage with one another on the comment section, y'all will come and say other things. I'm not complaining, I like the engagement, but please engage more. Okay? Thank you guys. I'm gonna end off the vlog here. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your consistent and continuous support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, tell other people to come watch the video as well. Yeah, until next time, it's goodbye.
I can't believe